As you can tell from my outfit, it's another Christmas video. Every British Christmas is the same. The same food, the same wonderful chaos, and of course, the same phrases. So, in this video, I'm going to go over 10 commonly used Christmas phrases in the UK. So, if you are spending your Christmas here, welcome, happy Christmas, and you will fit right in. It's going to be quick, fun, and very Christmassy. Let's go. Number 1, happy Christmas. Happy Christmas. Yes, British people say this. You can say Merry Christmas. I know that's what you hear more often than not, but Merry Christmas tends to be more American. Happy Christmas is more British. It's the classic UK greeting, especially on Christmas cards or with friends. So, if you want to sound authentically British, Happy Christmas, not Merry Christmas. If you want my free Christmas conversation guide, make sure to get your PDF. The link is in the description below. Number 2, fancy a mince pie. Fancy a mince pie. Fancy means would you like. Fancy a mince pie. Fancy a brew. Fancy a cuppa. Would you like a cuppa? Would you like a cup of tea? Usually, fancy makes you sound more natural. Fancy some lunch. But this, fancy a mince pie. A mince pie is a typically British pastry. It is so associated with Christmas. I talk about this in this video where I go over your typical British Christmas. So if you want to learn more about what a mince pie is, have a look. Number 3, I'm absolutely stuffed. I'm absolutely stuffed. We say this after we've had Christmas dinner, and it means I'm completely full. I cannot eat anymore. I am so full of turkey and stuffing, I can't eat anymore. It's not rude, it's not about your body, it just means I've eaten so much I cannot move. I'm absolutely stuffed. Number 4, pop round later. This phrasal verb is a very common British phrasal verb, but it's useful during the Christmas period because it means visit someone briefly. So to pop round means to visit casually or informally. I might say to someone, oh, pop round later, we've got mince pies. Pop round later, we've got mince pies. It's friendly, informal, very British. If you want to learn more typically British phrasal verbs, have a look at these videos where I go over them. They're not Christmas themed, I'm afraid though. Number 5, shall we stick a Christmas film on? Shall we stick a Christmas film on? To stick something on means to put it on TV. For example, we'll stick a film on after lunch. And you can also use it for music. Stick some carols on, will you? Stick some carols on. Number 6, I've got to do all my wrapping. I've got to do all my wrapping. This is our peak December panic when we have to get all our presents and wrap all our presents. So I've got to do all my wrapping. I've barely started. We don't say gift wrapping, that's American, just wrapping. It's short, it's simple, and it's something that most British people say at some point in December. I've got to do all my wrapping. Number 7, we're doing Secret Santa. We're doing Secret Santa. This is very common in offices, at work, or in friendship groups. Everyone buys another one in the group a gift, but it's secret. So you pull names out of a hat and you have your Secret Santa. For example, who've you got for your Secret Santa? I can't say, it's a secret. Oh, and then we say we're doing Secret Santa, not exchanging gifts. We're doing Secret Santa. I should also say though, even though we call it Secret Santa, in the UK, this guy is actually called Father Christmas, not Santa Claus. I'm having a slight battle with my 3-year-old at the moment about this because she keeps saying Santa and I keep saying it's Father Christmas. Number 8, come on, let's pull a cracker. Pulling a cracker is so typically British. It's this that you pull. There is a bang, there is a paper hat inside that you wear, and a terrible joke, sometimes a toy. And yes, you must wear the paper crown for lunch. You must, you have to. I'm speechless by trying to explain. You just have to, okay? It's Christmas, it's our tradition. Number 9, fancy a top-up. Fancy a top-up. A top-up is a refill of your drink. So tea or wine, Bucks Fizz. We love our Bucks Fizz on Christmas Day, which is Prosecco or champagne with orange juice. So say, fancy a top up or top up? It's polite and warm and a typical phrase you would hear from someone hosting Christmas. I talked a bit about this in my video that goes over a typical British Christmas, which you can see here if you haven't seen it, but we Brits tend to drink quite a lot over the festive period. So fancy a top up is an important one. And number 10, let's do stockings first. Let's do stockings first. On Christmas morning, British families open stockings. Small gifts stuffed into the stocking that is at the end of the bed or by the fireplace, and we open those before the main presents. Let's do the stockings first, and then we'll do the big ones. Something that we might say on Christmas morning. Let's do the stockings first. There we go. You now sound ready for a proper British Christmas. Don't forget to grab your free conversation guide in the link below. And I wish you a very happy Christmas. Take care. Bye.